Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to be doing a first impression / review with this new Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette that I've been dying over for such a long time now. It's finally in my hands. And for those of you who have not already, please go ahead, like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll be able to see videos like this every week. And please go ahead, follow me in all social media platforms. It will be in the description down below. Alright you guys, let's just get into it. Alright. So I've been waiting for this for such a long time when it first came out, and honestly it was already gone by the time I could even try to look online for it. But here we finally have it. Oh my god, it is the Blood Sugar palette. Yeah. This is how she comes like. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So this is how she first came in the mail. Of course, she comes in a pink box, of course. You get all your wraps and your bubble wrap. Oh my god. And it also comes with a picture, oh my god, that I'm obsessed with. Put her to the side. Now let's just get into this palette. Oh my goodness, you. Like, just this alone, like, first of all, let's talk about how big this is. This is a pretty big palette. It's like this, she goes like that. Okay, and here we go. Ooh, oh my goodness, like it's pretty big. Like the pan sizes are pretty big. It's just, finally there's a white in here because like I've been going through a lot of white shades and everything, and I've had a hard time trying to find a good white one. So let me just go ahead and test this. Like I don't even want to damage the images on here. It has no smell. The only smell that I smell is a brand new box. Whoa. Brand new packaging. You know that smell. Let's just get into it. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my base down real quick, my concealer down, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now that I have my base down, and what I use for this is the Professional Makeup NYX eyeshadow base in the shade White and Blanc. I'm gonna go for Sugar Cane. That's right here. Alright. Okay, we're gonna just, she's giving me life already. I don't know exactly what look I'm going for, but we're gonna wing it with this one. Ooh girl. It could be a bat or it could be a flat, girl. Girl, she's giving me pigment, girl. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go into Coma. That's this one right here. This is pigmented, girl. I ain't gonna, girl. Ooh, making me nervous, girl. Dive into this shit. Oh my god. I'm gonna go light-handed on this. And I'm also using a Morphe brush. You guys already know I can't tell you exactly what numbers these are because they're gone. I use her so much, I forgot the numbers. And she disappeared, girl. Bitch, can we talk? Okay, first of all, me, I'm not much of a whole boom colors, bam colors, walla lamb colors. But you know what? I've gotten more in tune with my brighter sides. And like, I do get a little nervous when playing with bright colors. Because for me, I just probably don't know how to put it together. But I don't know, like, this shit is making me gag. That's all I can say, girl. The pigmented, this bitch ain't playing. Okay, well, I guess we're heading into a purple situation. Okay, I'm guessing I'm gonna go for purple. I'm gonna give you a Barney effect, bitch. I'm gonna do the outsides real quick with the shade, oh, Cavity. Okay, I had a lot of those when I was growing up. This one right here. And we're gonna just go around the outline of her. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back into this right here and I'm gonna cut her, girl. I'm gonna cut these holes. Of course, I'm gonna be using e.l.f. Small Precision Brush. This is what she looks like. I'm gonna go ahead with this NYX eyeshadow base. You know what? We're just gonna go in her. If she turns out sickening, girl, she's sickening. If she's not, well, we're gonna make her look sickening today, okay? waited too long for this shit. We're gonna go loud. Start off right here, because I kind of want to give it a dimension. You know, like, oh, I'm gonna go right here first. We're gonna bring her out too, just a little bit more. This is going to be a Morphe brush. Let's just get right into her. And what I'm gonna be using on this side is gonna be Prick. This one right here. You're going to press her into the skin. Just so she picks up. Oh girl, okay, she mama not playing, bitch. So while I'm pressing her into the skin, I'm also plugging her just a little bit. Do you guys see what's happening right now? Because I do. And I'm living. Now we're gonna fade her right here in the middle, right here, where I kind of stopped, where I put my my eyeshadow base. We're just gonna fade her in that section. All right, next. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go ahead and put the same eyeshadow base. I'm gonna lay her out right here. And we're gonna put another color there. Okay, so now that we have that laid out, I already have something in mind. I'm just gonna go for it. What I had put, that pink that I put up here, I'm gonna bring her down here. Look already how pigmented this is already. All I did was just that. Look, even when she's still there. Ooh. And of course, we're gonna go ahead and blend. And of course, in the middle, I'm also using a Morphe brush because I'm also gonna put something right there. You know where the lines collide? I'm gonna put something right there. And I'm thinking for this bright color, that's what I'm going to do. But before I do so, let me just go ahead and blend her out a little. So now we're gonna go back into that base. I'm gonna dab her right here in the middle. Right there. Okay, and what I'm going to go into, let me just use another brush. I will be using e.l.f. concealer brush. But of course, I'm gonna use this to lay her down. So I'm gonna be going into Candy Floss right here. What? This is how I'm feeling. Ooh, look at that, bitch. I'm gonna do on the outside, like right here, I'm going to blend her in together. You know what I mean? Oh. Yes. I'm gonna go back in here just a little bit and we're just gonna just slightly top her in. Woo! Alright. Now that I'm still gagging, I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, I'm not picking her up. I have to pick her up. Oh, man. Oh, seems like these things always happen to me, girl. Why does pattern don't happen? Okay, so now I'm gonna go into this MAC 210 SE. I'm gonna go ahead with the eyeshadow base. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and like kind of like wing her real precise and real like careful with this. Cause like I said, girl, once you lay her down, girl, game over. I'm gonna have to do a whole different type of look. I ain't nobody got time for that right now. Okay. I feel like I'm gonna go piece by piece. That's what I feel like I'm gonna do. Ew. At first, I had no clue where the hell I was gonna go with this look, but as it goes by, not too bad. Inner corners, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to be using. Using our Fenty in the shade Sandcastle. That's this one right here. Alright, as you can see, this eye is already done, right? Okay, so basically I was talking to a camera that wasn't even on. Thank goodness I didn't even do this eye until now. Okay, where I left off, I kind of finished that where this is. Well, now that we're back, I of course used the Urban Decay De-Slick Setting Spray Mist, and I kind of sprayed it in, of course, on my favorite, one of my favorite brushes from Whaaat that I always use every day. Like for some reason, this brush gets me where I gotta go. Anyways, here I go. I gotta turn this way now. Okay, we're gonna just go right in the inner corner. Okay, I'm having a hard time looking that way. Okay. So we're gonna dry crop just a little bit. Yeah, we're gonna put a little bit more on this side too. Why not, girl? I like left already on this brush. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right on the top, right below my brow bone, just to give it that effect. Jeffree is giving that, girl. I swear I will drown my whole entire body with this shade. So I'm not gonna waste this. I'm gonna put on my Cupid's bow, of course. Don't forget the cheese. I'm gonna drop her just a little bit. We're gonna highlight a little bit. Right on the nose, the bridge of her nose. We're gonna screw a little bit. We're gonna go in. As you can see, I'm still checking to make sure she's still recording because I'm about to go down this road again. Okay, so what I kind of also did was I went back into my eyeshadow base, and I also went one more time. I cut her again, so that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm just gonna cut her over. I'm gonna cut her again. Bam. I want a lamb. I also went into the shade Glucose. That's that bright white one right there. Right here. And I kind of went over her. Just like that. Then next was I went into my Flyliner by Fenty Beauty. Y'all already know. In the shade Black. Please don't go flying on me this time. She don't fly on me again. Yeah. Bam! Now that that's done, I'm going to go into my mascara. I will be using e.l.f. And it is the Volumizing and Defining Mascara. She's doing her job and I am mad at it. But I really pack her in here because for some reason she doesn't give me the thickness that I like. And I like to do my top lash first because I don't want to do my bottom lash right after I do the top because God forbid something happens and you know I blinked the wrong way. I don't know. It could just ruin the whole bottom situation, and it took me a while, okay, to get to this point. We try to make it to the end, okay? As for the lash, what I use the Lash Couture. She came in this plastic coverage, and she is Camisole. I don't know how you pronounce that, but we finna call her Cam. Her name is Cam for this evening. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead off camera. I'm gonna put my lashes on and I'll be right back. Alright, and I'm back now that I got that lash on. Okay, so what I also did was now I can focus on the bottom lid or the bottom part of my eyes. And so what I used was I went back into Cavity, bright pink. And I kind of just went right around the edges. Just a little bit, just a little soft. Okay, and what I also did next was I went into Root Canal, which is this purple one right here. And I kind of went right around it just to give it that effect, you know, that contrast look. Bam, she's done. Next, I went back into my e.l.f. Cosmetics mascara, volumizing and defining mascara. I'm gonna go in. Okay. And as you can see, I also put the highlight too. I mean, might as well, right? Look at how this whole entire look is coming together. I'm gagging right now. I'm still gagging. What am I talking about? I'm gonna go into my e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set Spray and shake her up. And I'm gonna lock in these lashes, lock in the shadows, lock it in. Oh, it feels so nice on the face. And for today, as for the lips, I'm just going to go in with Scorpio. We're gonna just give her a good mix. Okay, so here you go. Oh, I gotta be careful. Ooh, can you see that? Can you see the magic? Okay, now we're gonna reset her one more time with the same setting spray, honey. Ooh. And this look is now complete. All right, you guys, and we're back for my final review on this freaking damn palette. My gosh, it is wonderful, you guys. Like, this right here is giving me my life. I will highly recommend this palette for those of you who do not have it or still thinking about getting it. Girl, hop on it, because I'm telling you, the wait could be a while, but it is well worth it. You know, again, I have waited months for this, because when she first came out, you know, by the time I got to his website, it was already gone. It was already sold out. I was pissed, but you know what? Now that this whole thing came around and his new palette is out, it gave me and the rest of the people who did not have it or tried to get it the chance to go ahead and get it. And the moment it came out, I was like, add to cart, we buying her now. I'm not waiting around. I'm not about to keep searching online on his website to or add all these other things on. That could be later. I'll pay that extra fee for that later. But as of right now, we getting this palette. Check out. PayPal, here we go. Everything about it, like the way it looks, like how much product you get out of this, the pigment that comes with it, it's worth it. It's worth every single penny. So I suggest that you go ahead and go get this. And you know what, I think that's all for today. Yeah, I just want to tell you guys thank you so much, you know, for watching this video, for subscribing to my channel, for still being with me, riding with me, you know, and on this journey of YouTubeism. That's not even a word, but here we are, YouTubeism. It's gonna be one. But yes, in case you guys have not already, please go ahead, like, subscribe, comment down below, hit that notification bell so you can see videos like this every week. If not, it could be other ones. And until next time, bye.